Start your day with mindfulness through this 2-minute meditation. Grounding yourself allows you to center your thoughts and emotions, creating an inner calm. By focusing on positivity, you can cultivate a mindset that embraces opportunities, leading to a more productive and fulfilling day ahead. Finding a comfortable position is essential for effective meditation. Whether seated on a chair or the floor, ensure your body is relaxed yet alert. Closing your eyes helps minimize distractions, allowing you to focus inward. As you take a deep breath, begin the journey towards clarity and peace. Deep breathing is a powerful tool for relaxation and focus. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your lungs to expand fully. Holding the breath creates a moment of stillness, while exhaling slowly through your mouth releases any tension. Repeat this process to enhance your mental clarity and inner peace. Visualizing your day can enhance your motivation and emotional well-being. Picture the tasks ahead, focusing on the positive outcomes you wish to achieve. Envision joyful interactions with others, allowing this imagery to fill you with excitement. Cultivating this mindset prepares you to embrace opportunities with enthusiasm. Embracing gratitude is a transformative practice that shifts your focus from scarcity to abundance. Reflect on 3 specific things you are thankful for today, whether they are personal, professional, or simple joys. Allow this feeling of gratitude to envelop you, fostering positivity and enhancing your emotional resilience. Setting your intentions lays the groundwork for a purposeful day. Clearly define what you wish to accomplish, whether it's completing a project or fostering positive relationships. Silently affirm this intention, allowing it to resonate within you. This focus guides your actions and helps you stay aligned with your goals. As you conclude your meditation, take a final deep breath to ground yourself. Slowly opening your eyes signals the transition back to your day. Stretching your body fosters renewed energy while carrying the tranquility you've cultivated. Embrace this peaceful state as you move forward into your daily activities.